How to work with PDF in Python. Python PDF manipulation libraries. One of the most popular libraries for working with PDF files in Python is Python PDF2. This library allows you to perform basic operations such as reading, writing, and merging PDF files. Another powerful library is ReportLab, which enables you to create PDF reports and documents from scratch. PDF operations in Python. With Python PDF2, you can extract text from PDF files, merge multiple PDFs into a single document, add watermarks, and rotate pages. It also provides functionalities to encrypt and decrypt PDFs for secure sharing. Python PDF tools. If you need more advanced operations, you can use PyMiner for parsing PDFs, TabulaPy for converting PDF tables to CSV or Excel, and PyMuPDF for PDF manipulation and annotation. Python PDF editing and generation. For editing PDF files in Python, you can use ReportLab and PDF libraries to create new PDF documents, add text and images, draw shapes, and generate reports dynamically. PDF handling in Python. Additionally, you can use Python PDF2 and Python MuPDF to edit existing PDF files by adding pages, removing pages, splitting documents, and combining multiple files into a single PDF. Python PDF manipulation tutorial. If you are new to working with PDF files in Python, there are plenty of tutorials available online to help you get started. You can learn how to install and import PDF libraries, perform basic operations, and create your own PDF documents from scratch. PDF manipulation using Python. Whether you need to generate invoices, create reports, or automate document processing, Python offers a wide range of tools and libraries for manipulating PDF files. By leveraging the power of Python, you can streamline your document workflows and increase efficiency. Conclusion. In conclusion, working with PDF files in Python is simple and efficient thanks to the variety of libraries and tools available. By mastering the capabilities of libraries such as Python PDF2, ReportLab, and PyMiner, you can easily manipulate, edit, and generate PDF files with Python.